Welcome to the fourth video of C++ in UG Academy. Today's video will be short and simple. First, we are going to talk about comments in C++. Comments are those parts of the file that are not written for the computer, but instead for other programmers to understand, help other programmers to understand our program. C++ comments come in two forms. The first form is single line format. It works like this. Type in // and then type in the comment you want to input. For example, we can explain this line of code like print to console. Like we print this string to the console, and then we can explain it like this. We can also add a single line comment in other place with another // if x equals to y. Of course, here the program is very simple, so the comments I add may not seem very meaningful. But in some case, the program may be more complicated, and single line comments can be useful for explaining the purpose of a particular line, especially when the name of the variable can be ambiguous. Other than single line comment, C++ also provide a multi-line comment option. It works like this. For example, you type / and type a star, and then type in the comment you want to input. For example, this program takes into integer and compare their values, and then end the comment section with asterisk and then another /. Then this section will be the multi-line comment section. Here I only have one line, but I can also add another line like this. And then this comment sections means that they will not be read by the compiler. It's only for human to read. Okay. Multi-line comments are usually for describing the function of a particular function, like this, the main function of program or section of the program, or describe how to use it. But single line comments are usually for explaining a particular line of code. So this is multi-line comment, and this is single line comment. Okay, this is the two comment format we can use in C++. Other than comment, today we are also going to talk about the issue of namespace. For example, you can see here we add std here before cout and cin. It indicates that the cout and cin are functions from objects. I'll explain about objects later. As long as there is something within the standard library, and then we include the std to indicate that it's in the standard library, more particularly in the IO stream. However, it can be time-consuming or messy if we include std everywhere. So we can also use using namespace std. This will tell the compiler to use std by default if it encounters a certain name that is not defined within the program. For example, this cout is not defined within the program, so we have to add std to tell the compiler that it's in the standard library. However, after adding this line, using namespace std, we can remove this std part here. Same for this one. So sometimes it makes our code look cleaner. However, if you are using several namespaces, it can also be messy because it may happen that in several namespaces they are the same variable there. But if you're only using the standard library and together with your own variable, then I think it's safe to using namespace std. Okay, so this code will compile equally well as the previous one. But we now don't have to use the std before all the variables here. So that's all for today.